Hello science fans, Bill Nye here. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there? Well, guess what? We sent something, a robotic ambassador from Earth, on the most epic road trip imaginable. This explorer is called Voyager 1, and it's on a grand cosmic adventure farther than any human-made object has ever gone. Voyager 1, along with its twin, Voyager 2, represents one of humanity's greatest achievements. Launched in 1977, their original mission was to visit Jupiter and Saturn, but they did so well, they kept going, into interstellar space. Voyager 1 is our first handshake with the rest of the galaxy, a tiny piece of us sailing through the cosmic ocean. Right now, a machine built by human hands is cruising through the void, billions of kilometers away. So let's dive into the incredible story of this little spacecraft, how it got so far, how it keeps going, and what secrets it's uncovering. Get ready because this journey is truly out of this world. So what exactly is Voyager 1? Imagine a very smart robot about the size of a small car covered in scientific gadgets. Its 12-foot wide dish antenna is its main way of talking to us, sending back priceless data. Long booms hold instruments to measure magnetic fields, cosmic rays, and charged particles. Voyager 1 was built to take advantage of a rare planetary alignment, using gravity assists to tour the outer solar system. It was designed to last 5 years, but decades later it's still phoning home. Its main computer has less memory than your car key fob, yet it survived the harshest conditions in space. In 2012, Voyager 1 became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space, crossing the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's influence ends. Now it's sending back data from a region of space we've never studied directly before. It's a pioneer, giving us our first taste of the galaxy at large. That's what makes Voyager 1 so special. Voyager 1's incredible distance. As of September 2025, Voyager 1 is over 24 billion kilometers, about 15 billion miles from Earth. If you drove a car at highway speed, it would take over 27,000 years to get there. Light from the sun takes 8 minutes to reach us, but a radio signal from Voyager 1 takes more than 22 hours. That's the longest distance phone call in human history. Voyager 1 travels at about 61,000 kilometers per hour, but space is so vast, it's still just a tiny step into the unknown. Every day it gets about 1.5 million kilometers farther away. From Voyager's perspective, our sun would look like just another star. It's now in a place where the galaxy itself is the main influence, not our sun. Voyager 1 is giving us our first direct measurements of the mysterious space between the stars. It's like dipping your toe in the galactic ocean for the very first time. How does a spacecraft keep going for nearly 50 years, billions of kilometers from home? The answer: nuclear power. Voyager 1 uses a radioisotope thermoelectric generator, or RTG, a nuclear battery that turns heat from decaying plutonium into electricity. No moving parts, just steady, reliable power. At launch, its RTGs produced about 470 watts, enough for a few light bulbs, but every year the power drops a bit. NASA engineers have become masters at managing this dwindling energy, turning off non-essential instruments to keep the most important ones running. It's a delicate balancing act, keeping Voyager alive as long as possible. The goal: keep at least one scientific instrument running and communicating with Earth until around 2025 or a bit longer. It's a race against time and physics. Every watt counts, and every year is a victory. Voyager 1's endurance is a testament to brilliant engineering and creative problem-solving. Even as its power fades, its mission continues. That's the spirit of exploration. What happens when the power finally runs out? When the last spark of energy fades, what becomes of a machine that has traveled farther than any other human creation? Sometime soon, Voyager 1's RTGs will no longer produce enough electricity to power even a single instrument. The spacecraft, which has been sending data for decades, will face its final blackout. One by one, its systems will fall silent, and the last faint whisper from the edge of the solar system will cease. The familiar signals that once connected us to this distant traveler will simply stop. But this isn't the end. Voyager 1 will keep moving, coasting through the galaxy for millions, even billions of years. Its journey will continue, untouched by time or distance. It will drift through the Milky Way, a tiny needle in a cosmic haystack, unlikely to ever collide with anything. The vastness of space will be its only companion as it silently glides among the stars. For eons it will be a silent wanderer, outlasting its creators and maybe even the Earth itself. Long after our world has changed, Voyager will still be out there, a lonely messenger from a distant past. Even in silence, Voyager 1 will remain a symbol of our ambition and curiosity. Its golden record, a message to the unknown, will travel on, carrying the story of humanity, its final mission, to travel endlessly, carrying the hopes and dreams of its makers into the vast darkness. It becomes a time capsule, a silent ambassador to whatever or whoever may find it. It's a quiet, unending voyage, but one that carries the spirit of human exploration into eternity. Voyager's journey is a testament to our desire to reach beyond the known. Voyager's legacy is written not in stone, but in the fabric of space-time. Its path is a ripple, a mark of our presence in the universe. That's a journey worth celebrating, a silent odyssey that will outlast us all, echoing our curiosity and hope across the stars. Where is Voyager 1 actually going? It's not aimed at any particular star, but its path takes it toward the galactic center. In about 40,000 years, it will pass within 1.6 light-years of a small red dwarf called Gliese 445. That's still incredibly far. On a galactic scale, it's like waving from across the street. By then, Voyager will have been silent for millennia. After Gliese 445, it will continue its slow orbit around the Milky Way's center, taking about 225 million years to complete one lap. Most of its journey will be through empty space, but it could pass through nebulae or witness the births and deaths of stars. Over eons, it will be battered by cosmic rays and dust, but its core and special cargo are built to last. Voyager 1 is now a galactic citizen, bound by the gravity of the Milky Way. Its journey is truly epic. The scientists behind Voyager, led by Carl Sagan, had a poetic idea: send a message to the cosmos. They attached a golden record to each Voyager, a gold-plated copper time capsule designed to last 1 billion years. The golden record is a collection of sights and sounds from Earth, meant to tell any finders who we were and what we valued. The cover is etched with diagrams, an instruction manual and a map showing our sun's location relative to pulsars. It's humanity's ultimate hello to the universe. The chances of it being found are tiny, but that's not the point. Creating the record was a powerful act of self-reflection. What would we want to say about ourselves? The golden record is as much a message to ourselves as it is to aliens. It's a bold, hopeful gesture, sharing our cosmic address with the universe. Voyager carries our story into the stars. So, what's on the golden record? This intriguing artifact launched into the vastness of space carries a snapshot of our world. It's a cosmic mixtape, 115 images of life on Earth, capturing the essence of our planet, from the intricate structure of DNA to breathtaking landscapes and the diversity of people. There are greetings in 55 languages, ranging from ancient Akkadian to modern Mandarin and English, showcasing the rich tapestry of human communication. The English greeting, spoken by a child, warmly says, "Hello from the children of planet Earth," a simple yet profound message. The record includes the sounds of Earth, capturing the gentle whisper of the wind, the soothing patter of rain, the songs of birds and whales, and the dynamic sounds of human activity like trains and rocket launches. There's 90 minutes of music, featuring timeless pieces by Bach, Beethoven, and Stravinsky, alongside folk songs from around the world, jazz, blues, and Chuck Berry's iconic Johnny B. Goode. The music celebrates human creativity and emotion, a universal language that transcends borders and speaks to the heart. There's also a 1-hour recording of Anne Druyan's brainwaves, as she meditates on love, the history of Earth, and the vastness of the universe. The golden record is a beautiful portrait of our world, sent into the darkness with hope that someone someday will listen and understand our story. It's a message of peace, curiosity, and wonder, inviting others to share in our journey. Even if it's never found, it stands as a testament to who we are, a snapshot of humanity's essence. Voyager's record is humanity's greeting card to the galaxy, a bold declaration of our existence. That's a legacy worth sharing, a beacon of hope and connection across the cosmos. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, Voyager 1 is a speck of dust in an endless ocean. It's a tiny ship, dwarfed by the vastness that surrounds it, yet it carries with it a mission of monumental importance. But its significance is immeasurable. It represents the best of humanity, our curiosity, courage, and ability to work together. Every bolt, every calculation, every sleepless night spent by the team at NASA was a testament to our shared dream of reaching beyond the familiar. Voyager's journey inspires us to look up, ask big questions, and reach for the stars. It reminds us that exploration is woven into our very nature, and that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered by those bold enough to seek them. It's taught us about our solar system and given us our first glimpse of interstellar space. Voyager revealed the wonders of Jupiter's storms, Saturn's rings, and the distant edges of our solar neighborhood, forever changing our understanding of the cosmos. Perhaps its most profound gift was the pale blue dot photo. Earth as a tiny speck from 6 billion kilometers away. That single image captured the fragility and unity of our world, showing us how small and precious we truly are. That image is a lesson in humility, reminding us to cherish our only home. It urges us to care for our planet and for each other, for in the vastness of space, Earth is all we have. As Voyager continues its silent journey, it carries our hopes, dreams, and legacy. The golden record on board is a message to the cosmos, a greeting from Earth, a time capsule of who we are and what we value. It's a monument to human curiosity, a pioneer sailing into the unknown for us all. Voyager is proof that even the smallest vessel can carry the grandest dreams. Its journey will outlast us, a testament to when we first reached out from our pale blue dot. Long after we are gone, Voyager will continue its voyage, a silent ambassador from Earth. Voyager is a message of peace and wonder, drifting through the galactic night. It whispers to the stars that we were here and that we dared to dream. Thank you for exploring with me. Keep looking up. The adventure continues, and the universe is waiting for our next step.